Lesson 8. There is another set of brief forms. Okay, so kailangan i-memorize nyo ang mga brief forms para madali nating mabasa ang mga paragraph. Okay, so let's start from would. Letter D only. For F. There and there. Under is. This. Over it. S. Good. Gay. They. Over it. E. Them. Over it. M. Which. Che. B. By. Letter B only. Okay. Next, BE is also used as word beginning in words such as believe and because. So, pag ginamit natin ang BE, tatanggalin natin ang letter E, so magiging letter B na lang siya. B, L, E, V. Because, again, omit the letter E, so magiging B, K, O, left S. Begin, B, gay, E, N. Word ending li is represented by E circle. Aralin nyo ng mabuti ha. Lately. Okay, ito yung late. And then li. So, late, L-A-T. Li. Nearly. N-E-R-Ly. Badly. B-A-D-ly. Costly. K-O-S-T-ly. Mainly. M-A-N-ly. Plainly. P-L-A-N-ly. Briefly. B-R-E-F-ly. Namely. N-A-M-ly. Mostly. M-O-S-T-ly. Only. O-N-ly. Highly. High, sound of H, and then big circle, and then long I. And then, i-connect nyo yung sa long I, diretso, kasi meron kang tiny circle na from the word or word ending in ly. Diba yung high is like this? High. Ayan, high. Long I. So, pag may ly, diretso siya. Kaya naging highly. Daily. So, D-A-ly. Amounts and quantities. 600, 6N. 100 is represented by letter N. Sa ilalim ng number ilalagay. 8,000. 8 and then over it. 800,000. 8 and over it. $12. 12D. $3,000. 3 over it. D. This is for thousand and this is for dollar. $700,000. 7 and over it. D. $3.40. So, 3, then ilalagay mo sa taas yung 40. 8%, so 8, and then write S. 7 o'clock, 7, then sa taas ng number, doon ang O as o'clock. Lesson 8, reading practice number 4. Dear passenger, early in June, members of our staff made a survey in which they asked 1,000 passengers of our railroad if they smoke on their way to the office or on their way home in the evening, period. This survey by our staff showed that merely 100 of them, or 10%, smoke, period. Nearly 200 of them, or 20%, said they would prefer that there be no smoking on our trains because, open quotation, smoke is not good for you, paragraph, close quotation. Therefore, beginning this week, only 2 cars of each 10-car train will be smoking cars, period. If you would like to smoke on our trains, please ride in the first or last car, both of which are smoking cars, period. Sincerely yours. Lesson 8, reading practice number 5. Mr. Parks, I do not relish writing you this letter because I have to tell you that we are increasing the price of our letter pads slightly, period. I believe you know that our costs have increased greatly, period. In March, they increased by nearly 5%, period. In April, they increased by nearly 8%, period. We have absorbed this increase. We cannot go on absorbing them, period. I am therefore with a good deal of regret making a price increase, but only a small increase of 8%. Paragraph. Beginning July 15, the following price changes will be in effect: Style 15 pads will be $80 a gross, period. Style 20 pads will be $9.50 a gross, period. Style 26 pads will be $98 a gross. Paragraph. I sincerely hope, Mr. Parks, that this price increase will not affect your sales adversely, period. James R. Baker. Lesson 8, number 6. Mrs. Charles, last night at 6 o'clock, I met for an hour with Jack Swift, urging him earnestly not to leave his job as head of our mailing room, period. I even promised to give him an increased 20%, which would raise his salary $15,000, but he would not accept it, period. He will leave on July 18, paragraph. I am sincerely sorry to lose Jack because he did a good job operating the mailing room, period. As you will know, good people are not easy to get these days, period. Mary Farmer. 7. Dear Madam, early in March, I wrote you to the effect that the trees in back of your home need a good spraying because the insects will start to attack them late in May or early in June, period. I have not had an answer to my letter, period. Did it reach you? Question mark. Paragraph. If you would like my staff to take care of spraying your trees, please call me. Collect at open and close parenthesis 300 555-1171, period. The cost of spraying your trees properly with a new type of spray that will not harm animals or trees will be only $150, period. Yours very truly. Reading practice number 8. Dear Fred, there is a fairly good chance that I will be asked to talk to our 100 office machine sales trainees at their meeting at the Hotel White in Dallas on June 15. Paragraph. As the meeting will close well before 3 o'clock, there will still be at least 4 hours of daylight in which we can play 18 holes of golf. Paragraph. Will you be free on June 15? It would give me great pleasure to treat you to a fine steak following our golf game. Paragraph. I sincerely hope you will be free. Period. Sincerely yours.